Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to model these powerpuff girls in Blender. Very easy model of powerpuff girls in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So this was the reference I was using, and this is our model. This was the reference, and this is our model. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.